Alright, time for another Lang Dev video. So, we're trying to take this and sort of enhance it. The first thing I really want to do is I want these keys to be proper to set Korean keyboard. So I see that there's this virtual keyboard component, so I'm going to jump over to it. And what? How does the keys actually get laid out? QWERTY layout from keyboard layouts. Hey, okay. Here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. We've already got a Hangul layout here. Let's see how it goes prepared. So let's go back here and let's just be all rough about it. Switch those over to Hangul layout. QWERTY layout's not defined still. So there's additional problems down here. Surf help me out there, and now we've got the Hangul keys. Okay, so that's great. That was easy enough, but what should we do next? I like working in small steps, so let's start by this up to GitHub. Committing and pushing this up to GitHub. There's a small step, but we should make sure that this layout is responsive, because yeah, no, it looks beautiful. Things are staying where they're supposed to. I see I did a great job with this page so far. Very, very nice. Alright, look at the diff. Not really adding it, but it's fine. It's a good enough name. Commit it. Push it. Create the pull request. And show me the pull request. Alright. Request Yug as a reviewer. We're not going to wait for his review to do this. I just want to make him aware that it's happening. I'll turn on auto merge, and then we can go back and keep doing stuff. Okay. So there's a lot going on. I'm gonna go back to page here. I want to start understanding it, so I'm gonna put Cascade into chat mode, and at page.tsx for challenge, examine and the imported components. I need to understand how it all works. Challenge page, Next.js client-side component, marked with use client. Okay, I'm learning about Next.js. I'm not a front-end engineer, so this is all very difficult for me. But AI can help. Source text, which is hard-coded. Target text, currently hard-coded. Typed, what the user's typed so far. Stats, word per minute, accuracy, and progress. Use inputs and show cursor. Controls the cursor blinking animation. Alright, core components, translation display, shows the source text, target text, typing progress. Virtual keyboard provides an on-screen keyboard for typing. Virtual keyboard implementation supports both QWERTY and Hangul layouts. It's responsive with different layouts for mobile and desktop. Each key is a component that can show different states: correct, incorrect, and neutral. Special keys are handled: space, backspace, shift, and various control keys. Typing logic. When a key is pressed, it checks if the press key matches the current target character. If correct, it appends the character to typed text. Progress is calculated as a percentage of characters typed correctly. Backspace removes the last character. The cursor blinks when the input is active. 500 millisecond interval. Keyboard layouts defined in Keyboard Layout TS. Two layouts are available, QWERTY and Hangul. Blah, blah. Okay, so currently when I'm on the page, I can't click on them. Let's make that our goal, to make it so that the input can be clicked on. And I'm not sure why that key got highlighted. I'm doing, oh, it's the last key that I clicked on? Aha. So if I click on one and then I press a key, it gets highlighted. So that's good to know in the current code. Again, Suyog, no fault of his. He's done an amazing job with the design, but he's been focusing just, on the design. So I want to make it so that if I click on a key, it shows up in the input. I want to make it so that when I click on a key, it shows up in the input. Let's apply this. try that. See what it looks like. Fan. Nope, wrong. Oh, wrong. Okay, now we've got some feedback, which is cool. But what is the correct thing? Like, why does it show that it's wrong? So that's a really interesting question. I do like this little animation. I like the little shake. It's probably because it's looking for something that matches this. If it's looking to match anything. Every key I press now turns red and shakes. How does it determine if the key was correct or wrong? Alright, it's getting a little ahead of itself. I want it to be more explanatory. Explain to me, but don't make any edits. I need to learn. I want it to teach me. So it shall. And so it shall. Would we if there is a static list of the correct order of keys to press provided at the beginning? This is the way that I was thinking of implementing this because it is complicated. Like, we can't just compare it with the target text because the target text is composed characters, but the keys are individual letters that get composed into those characters. Like, this character here is 3 letters. This circle, this line with 2 notches to the left, and then another circle. So it should take 3 keys to type it. That's why we have an input thing here to show that composition happening. Okay, let's try this out. This suggestion. Okay, so we have a key sequence. And a lot of changes here. Let's just YOLO it. Let's see how it works. Boom. Now still in the happy. Bam. Well, we'll get back to this. Bang gang.